Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this tutorial, we are deriving the formula for the sum of terms in an arithmetic sequence. And you remember, in an arithmetic sequence, we've got the first term being A and the common difference is D. All right. So we've got the sequence that is being added given by T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus all the terms up to Tn. All right. Now, if we are to write that sequence, we are going to have Sn is equal to the first term, then plus the first term plus the common difference. And we move on to the other term, the third term, that is A plus 2D. Each time we're adding the common difference. So this goes on and on up to the point where we get A plus n minus 2D plus, okay, this is a term on its own, plus A plus n minus 1D. Okay, and that forms equation number 1. We call it equation number 1. Now, we are going to write equation number 1 in reverse so that we have Sn is equal to, so I'll be starting with that term there. So I'll be having A plus n minus 1 D plus this term A plus n minus 2 D. Then I'll add another one, plus A plus n minus 3 D. Okay, then I'll keep on adding up to the point where I'll take that one. I'll have A plus D, then plus the first term, that is A. Then I'll have equation number 2. Then I'm going to add equation number 2 to equation number 1. I will have Sn plus Sn. I will have 2 Sn, like that. Then that will be equal to, so I'll be adding this first term for this sequence to the first term on that one, to that sum. Okay, so I'll have 2A because I've got A and A there. Then n minus 1 D follows. Then I'll do the same thing on this term and on that term. So I'm adding corresponding terms. So I will have 2A because of this A plus that A. And then I'll have plus D, but here I already have a minus 2D. So I'll have a minus D there. So that will give us plus n minus 1 D. So if you keep on adding, like if we add this one and you add that one, you're still going to get the same answer. So we are going to add that to all the terms in the middle and up to the last term. And in this regard, our last term will be just the same as that. That will be 2A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, so now we are going to say 2Sn is equal to n because we got n of these. There are many. We got n of these. Okay, because n is a number that we don't know. Then n multiplied by 2a plus n minus 1 d. And then we need to find the sum of terms. So we divide by 2 and divide by 2 on that other side. Then we can say, therefore, the sum of terms in an arithmetic sequence is given by n over 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. And we've proved that formula. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.